In today's video, we will design a monostable multi-vibrator. The circuit diagram is at the end of the video. You can see the circuit diagram at the end of the video. Now we use a MOSFET. The capacitor will actually give us the pulse, the duration of the time. Now we include our switch to switch it on and off. Now we use a variable resistor. The resistor will give us a time delay, how long we want the time we want the multi-vibrator to delay before it switches off. We connect our LED and our battery. It's a 12-volt battery, it's a 12-volt system. Then we connect our 12-volt battery. Now we see okay, let's wait 2 seconds before switching off. Now we will vary the time and see how long it will last. This system you can install in most of corridors, at home,